Hi Amarnath. So, as you have started working with pastels and we have introduced colors into digital life, there's a very strong point about colors. Is if you remember color theory, color wheel. So, if you want to travel from one color to the second color, all the colors in between will also be seen. Just a second, I'll open color wheel. So, for example, I am traveling from say red to green. Something is red, and then next to it is green. So, I won't jump, but I would go for red, red, orange, orange, yellow, and then slowly move to the green. So, this is one important thing that you must keep in mind when doing the colors. Second is color is always secondary. uh, Values is first. So like here in this shadow you can see in this image, I'm not sure if you do your drawings live or you do it from photo reference. So the shadow has two different values. The one which is falling on the paper is much lighter, and this is like the second last swatch. This is like the middle value. So when I do it on the surface, you can actually lighten this value a bit more to match the see this could be a bit more lighter and bit more blue in nature to match the values. So matching the color is fine, but matching the values will make a lot of difference. And similarly, the other value here would be also a bit more light, this one. And rest the transition is fine. Here you got into the details, but first you need to focus on building the volume. So this volume can be pushed a bit more. This could be a little more dark because this area is close to the shadow shape. So if this is dark, this value is almost blending. Let me just Okay, so this is dark. This value here is almost blending into this. This one here is just the next value. So as the shadows are important, so are the volumes. So you need to first build the volume, make it a 3D looking object, and then on top of it you can add the values, add the details. But when you add the details, think about whether this detail fall in the darker section or in the middle or lighter or again in the middle. So these are small things that you can play with colors and value. The more you exaggerate, the better it will look. And you can follow 50-50% rule also, in which 50% you paint what you see, either in the photo reference or in the arrangement in front. But 50% you paint what what you know. That means there are certain rules that you know, and possibly you are not able to see it, or possibly the camera that you are using is not capturing all the values. So you need to now balance, because you are doing excellent with your skills. So this is how old masters produce painting. So they follow 50% what they see and 50% what they know, and together they exaggerate the values, they exaggerate the color scheme, they sometimes even fix the drawing. So this is what you can do, and all the best. Your drawing is looking amazing.